Hello everybody, Mike here from Mike's Computer Tips, and I'm going to give you a little presentation. I want to show you how you can speed up your Windows 10 computer. Just follow these steps. Step by step, we're going to do a few things and we'll speed up the computer, and then you can just pause the video and do it yourself one step at a time, and you'll see that there's some easy ways for me to show you. What you do is you go to the Windows icon left hand corner, you right click it on your Windows 10 and you left click run, and then you have a run box there, and then you type in temp, T-E-M-P. That's the first thing we're going to do. Then you hit OK. Then you might get this dialog box that says that you don't have permissions, so you just hit the continue and it opens up and you'll see all these temporary files. So what you do is you hold down your control key and your A key at the same time, and that highlights them all. And then you hit the delete key on your keyboard and hit continue, and it's going to delete everyone. Then you want to close that window out and go back to the Microsoft Start, lower left, right click, go to run, and backspace what's in there. And this time you want to put %, temp, %, without any spaces. Then you hit OK, and you'll get a whole nother section here, files you could delete. So you hold the control and the A key on your keyboard, that'll highlight them all. Then you hit the delete key and it'll get most of them. You don't have to get every single one, but if it leaves a couple, that's no problem. Just close that out. And then the third time you're going to go back to the Start, right click it, and then hit run again. And this time you're going to type in prefetch. That's P-R-E-F-E-T-T-C-H. Prefetch. Hit OK. It's going to take you to this continue thing again, so just hit continue. And then you'll see all these prefetch folders, files in there. There's a whole list of them. And then Control A highlights everything. Hit the delete key on your keyboard. You may have a lot, so you have to give it a couple seconds. Then you close that out and you're done with that, and you just clean the temporary files. And then the second thing, what you can do is you right click on the toolbar at the bottom here, and then you click on where it says Task Manager. You want to open this Task Manager up, and you'll see things that you have running in there. Let me open mine up again. Task Manager. Okay, so I don't have a whole many things running in there, but if you do have things running in there, you can actually end task on them, or make it so you don't you can set preferences to that. And another thing that I always tell people to do is get a spyware remover program, and this is Super Anti-Spyware. It's a free program. You can download it from the internet and install it. When you get it downloaded, you just click on Scan This Computer, and it's got different preferences on there. You can do a complete scan, quick scan, custom scan. I'll do a quick scan, but when you have time, you can do a complete scan when you're not using the computer, and it'll search for a lot of infections on the computer, and it'll prompt you to get rid of them. So it's a nice free program that I always tell people to get. It's called Super Anti-Spyware, free version. Make sure you get the free version. There usually isn't any updates, but it will scan and look for any kind of infections, and then at the end we get to remove whatever it finds, which is real nice. So it's just doing a scan there, and see, it found some items. It's found a bunch of things. It says total found. I'm going to make this bigger so you can see it. You know, it's always going to find something on your computer, which is very helpful, because these things were going to slow your computer down, and this video is about speeding it up. So you want to get ready.